do you want to do there?
Going. Yeah, where are you?
What are you going to do there?
Eat food.
You want to eat food?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
That's weird.
That is.
That's weird.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
What do you want me to make you for breakfast?
Eggs and chicken.
Eggs and chicken? Okay.
And lasagna too.
And lahme? That's a big breakfast. Yeah, you're right. You're kind of strange. But I love you.
Yeah. I'm Smith.
Abus. Love you. He loves kisses.
That's funny.
Say good morning, world.
Good morning, world.